By supporting the Flower Valley Conservation Trust, that's where we found goodness. Pick n Pay, always there for you.
Indeed, gents, we are talking about all the different ways in which you can take in medicine, especially when you're sick. I mean, we're used to taking tablets, we're used to taking bad-tasting cough mixtures, injections, and this and that. But apparently there are other methods, alternative methods, that I personally have never, ever considered. Franz is here to tell us more about that. Good morning, Franz. How are you?
Good morning. I'm good, and you?
Fantastic. Now, you've brought two machines that look kind of like space age. Are they going to fly off into the atmosphere?
No.
But, I'm told one is a nebulizer and one is a humidifier. Let's start first talking about the nebulizer. I think that's the one we want to start off with.
Yeah.
So what is the machine used for?
A nebulizer is used to take medicine and put it in such a small micro, like a form of almost like a gas, if I can put it that way.
Yes.
And that is then inhaled so that it can go straight into the lungs.
Okay.
It's usually used with bronchodilators, medicine that you use to open your chest.
This for lung-related illnesses,
yes?
Yes. Okay.
They use it a lot with asthma patients. Also, because it's something that it can come with a mask, and for little kids that battle to inhale from an inhaler, you know, those little pumps that you buy.
Yes.
The nebulizer does the same, except it's giving you this constant stream of medicine in this form that as you breathe slowly in and out, it's going straight into the lungs to help open up the chest.
Yeah. And like we say now, because it's for lung-related illnesses, the fact that it goes straight to the lungs makes it more effective.
You actually have your little container where the medicine would go in, usually with some saline solution, and that is then put into the mist form.
Yes.
So you can either inhale it through the mouthpiece, or otherwise you would, instead of the mouthpiece, you would put on the mask, which then goes sort of over the nose, whole area here. And then you can sit back, put the TV on. It's usually about 6 to 10 minutes, or just relax and slowly breathe in, and that way you're getting maximum of the active ingredient of the medicine straight into your lungs.
Oh, wow. It sounds like a more effective way of doing things, especially for
very
those people
effective,
that
especially if you battle to inhale from an inhaler.
Yes.
Sometimes you inhale and it's more like in your throat.
Yes.
And instead of going straight into the lungs. And it's something you can do at home, and when your chest is tight, or for any other reason the doctor would prescribe something to use for you.
Yes. So what about the humidifier? What is it?
The
what is it used for?
humidifier, I'm going to actually put it on, then you can see. It's actually bringing moisture into the air. Right?
Is our air that dry around us, though?
It depends where you are, which part of the country. I know when I go up to the Joburg area, I find my lips get very dry, my nose get dry. So it depends where you are. But what it's also good for, it's, first of all, the more humid air is very good for your skin, all right?
Okay, that's why people in Durban have such good skin.
Yes.
Amazing temperatures. It's always just, you always feel like you're moisturized on your skin when you're in Durban. That's why I love it. Yeah.
Yes. But now, when you have a bad cold and you're all blocked up and your sinuses are blocked up, by using a humidifier and breathing in the moisture, it actually helps to thin the mucus and gets it more runny so that it can get rid of it out of the sinuses, and it can go away into the lymph glands, and it can drain away. So this helps a lot when you have a blocked nose, cold. Put it on in your room. You can actually put some aromatherapy oil in as well, like eucalyptus oil, and it will help to open up and clear the sinuses.
Wow. So one like this, how big a room would this cater for?
Probably about a normal size bedroom, I would say.
Yeah.
You could even a lounge, if it wouldn't do the whole house. You'd have to have one per room. So it would be, I'd say, an average room.
And safe for kids, safe for the whole family.
Yes,
so
obviously when, I like to put it on at night when I sleep. It's very good for the skin. Hopefully, I'd get less wrinkles as the years go by.
You've never had a wrinkle in your day.
But if you've got small kids, obviously it's safe as it is, but if you're not using it, unplug it, put it away, because it's still used with electricity.
Yes.
So just be careful about that. But other than that, it's absolutely safe.
Fantastic. Franza, thank you very, very much. Really appreciate it. And I think this is a very useful little machine, the nebulizer. And of course, if you're interested in having this as an alternative way of taking your medication for your lung illness, it is available at Pick n Pay.
We have it at Pick n Pay at a very good price of 399 Rand, which is an excellent price for nebulizers.
Fantastic. Make sure that you make your way to your nearest Pick n Pay and check it out there. We'll be back after the break.